Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren urges people of both hills and valley regions of Manipur to conserve wildlife. "27 eminent people who played a major role in promoting Manipur's art and culture received Manipur State Kala Academy Award 2016-17 today. Meitei Pangal Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee pushes demand to Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren for inclusion of Meitei Pangal in Scheduled Tribe list. Impal City struggles with piling waste following ban on waste disposal at Lamdeng Solid Waste Management Plant. And two-day ball badminton friendly match between Manipur and Myanmar Saigon kicks off to enhance ties between India and Myanmar. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laikamba Monica with the latest news updates. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren has called upon the people of both hills and valley regions of the state to conserve wildlife. He was speaking at the launch of the two web applications, namely online portal for forest monitoring and dynamic and interactive website of the Forest Department at Chief Minister's Secretariat in Babupara today. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren said Manipur is endowed with various identified as well as yet to be identified medicinal plants, especially in its hill regions. He said systematic monitoring of these medicinal plants is required to boost the state's economy. Biren appealed to people to stop illegal felling of trees and killing of wild animals and birds. The Chief Minister said the newly launched website will facilitate direct interaction with the authorities of the Forest Department and urged the public to avail the opportunity.
Wildlife preserve toksi phajana khoi masi hatlaga kholaga pangsada saba panghata hatpa tawbuse masi hobby oina tawba some in hills areas in the mainly say hilly people sing the chidinau sing the request oningi yamna atangba species gumbasi pahata hatlaga manghan base tawhan bidaba zabi daba happy daba hoi tangai phadaba koi food ki damak the food variety ki damak koi internationally acceptable legally acceptable koi laite banate adu gumbadu da sena biraga adu aina ya da bising di to bidraka na yokhat pa ai pame adu ga maru ena koi forest ki product maram sadana magi maturity oidna kathat pa manghan ba to basimaga
Manipur State Kala Academy Award 2016-17 was conferred to 27 people who took a major role in promoting the art and culture of Manipur today. CFMPD Minister Karam Sham, Art and Culture Commissioner M. Joy and others attended the award distribution ceremony organized by the Manipur State Kala Academy at JN Manipur Dance Academy. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Karam Sham said art and culture not only identify Manipur, but it also promotes communal harmony in the state and shapes the youths morally. He said it is high time the government increased the budget allotted to the Art and Culture Department. Minister Karam Sham also appealed to the Manipur State Kala Academy to distribute its awards on time and offer necessary help for the same. The 27 recipients include dance teacher T.H. Chaurajit, music teacher L. Mani, folk story narrator S. Isai Hanba, Sumang Lila artist P.H. Gunachandra.
Manipur saktai heragasu matam subada neglect tauraga laibagi mong malambadu handaki session da mayamna ubiri duni member kudingmak arnel culture hingan da bayati budget da paisa hab da bayati natraga extra ati planning dagi paisa piu haidana handaki house da lauri badu aisu MLA or basu kuire aduga even minister su ore hantak na hanba choba voice ma Manipur assembly da thokpa raise masina takbadi Manipur da hujik Alamal Singi Hona Zamandagi, Maibel Singi Hona Zamandagi, Art and Culture, Sab Mahau, Magun Se Kangba Hori.
Meitei Pangal Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee (MPSTDC) has submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister Nongtong Bambirein demanding inclusion of Meitei Pangal community in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, MPSTDC spokesperson Mohammad Rabi Khan said that the Chief Minister has assured to extend possible help for the same. He said Meitei Pangal community has remained underprivileged since ancient days. Mohammad Rabi Khan said MPSTDC was formed last year as the community fulfills necessary criteria to attain ST status as per Article 342 Clause 1 of the Indian Constitution. He said the committee has extended solidarity to all the initiatives of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STDCM. Mohammad Rabi Khan said the formation of the committee was necessitated as there was no Meitei Pangal representatives in STDCM. He said they have already submitted memorandum on the demand to Governor Dr. Najma Habdullah and Titular King of Manipur, Laisemba Senajauba. Mohammad Rabi Khan said the Titular King has assured to extend necessary help. He appealed to the people of the state to extend solidarity to the committee.
Masigi si Manipur praja miyamga Purup Kudingmaki, intellectual circle Kudingmaka, Kanatana Pangal Purup Asibu, Karamain Togduna, Atopa, Saukalaba, Tagwanga, Purup Singi Marakta, Sagun Nerga, Manani Himbangam Gadagi, Honor Matamda, Mangtan, Sanction Gani, Haiwa, Manipurgi Meitei Pangal, Southern Tribe Demand Committee na, Ekoigi, short Taraba Purup Asibu, Southern Tribe status da. All in the Agi level da, Kaigumba Kratang Jawbang Nangaidum ta, Southern Tribe status da. Demand of Pasida, Jati Purup, or Naisangi Kenaba Tamdana Mayam, Kudimuna Mating Pangbi.
Meanwhile, Moilang Salai Yakaipung in a press release expressed disappointment that Sanamahi religion is still not recognized by both the state and central governments. 15 NGOs under IMC have stopped collecting garbage following ban imposed by Lamdeng villagers on waste disposal at Lamdeng Solid Waste Management Plant. The villagers imposed a ban owing to their ongoing Ima Laikulembi Harau celebration since February 26 to be held till March 6. It may be recalled that the IMC Municipal Commissioner K. Chandrakumar told Impact News on February 27 that garbage from 27 wards of IMC will be cleared within 2 days and the waste will be dumped at a temporary dumping site with the approval of the state government. As per his statement, garbage from Kwaramban market area were deposited at the dumping site allocated to Thobal Municipal Council. However, due to lack of a proper dumping site, 15 NGOs under the IMC have stopped door-to-door garbage collection in 27 wards under the IMC, including the Pona market. Meanwhile, heaps of garbage are seen piling up on the roadsides of Pona market in front of shops and houses.
Lambisu yam chin bane dukan phambasu nungate aduga manam du ko laibu ngamdre adu yarangai di gari china laga phajna clean to bios
abapu thale bi yam nam thire chappe yadre dena mak bu chalaban
siji amut pa leisliba mayam jina khoina dukan da phama matam da su manam jina leibu nungaitre adu ju mathak ta lambi pikpani na gari chathuk jasin to buda ju gari da su yam problem oirani aduna sarkar gi maikei da athu matam da amut pa jing je khonthok pinaba haijari
nakan da dukan ta bu di Yatre Pamba, la visa for the Sunungaitre. She had a garbage by from Dona Pura. Lower in the young with a high later. Urising Cinemana.
Amorpa sings in a neck, Pamasungam Rebanam Tibana, Aduga Angang sing so. Aduga near Sigas Yaraga, this of no pigano, Lloyd Malotopio. Hana hire when Moita be there.
Namtide Papa say, I get per the neck when Manam Zilla Yatre Haba. I don't know, see, Pata, how the ma'am say. She did have been on the gate drain, she showed Namtide, my aunt, Tata Pagigo, announcing the Sumasapa was asking to lay at the
65-member team of artisans from Manipur left Imphal today to take part in the upcoming National Handloom Expo 2020 in Tripura. Director of Handlooms and Textiles, Lamli Kamai, flagged off the team from Nityaipat to take. Speaking on the occasion, Director Lamli Kamai said the expo will pave way for artisans of the state to sell their products to the neighboring country of Bangladesh. The expo will be held in Agartala from March 5 till 18. Deputy Director Handicrafts E. Jitain, Manipur's renowned historian Mutua Bahadur and top officials of the Directorate took part in the event. Lamli Kamai said Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles, Government of Manipur selected a team under the aegis of Development Commissioner for Handloom, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India for the expo to give them exposure to various marketing options and also to give them a chance to reflect on their own limitations. He added that the Directorate will also arrange a special Leela performance for the expo by Leela artists from Manipur as per the request of the Manipuri diasporas in Tripura.
Mapung oiba pandamdi akoi lamgi pothok sing asi atopa minaibakta puraga yoluraga koigi lalon itiki maramda amadi akoigi mina pami ba posai singdo kram makhan gi posai pamge hebadu madu khangdona bigi damakta koigi lamgi si mi gi lebakta chalorokanda mayamna apambadu amu hala kanda minaibakta sumba posai yam pamgalli sumaina saraga mina koina lalon itik tobasi hena phagani habagi lawsing gyan adu launaba amadi koigi lamgi posai sing asi minaibakta chalaga yoluraga maduna senthok khadoiraga su tanba Nabidamata Chinzaba, Adumana Pantokjaba, program Mamani, Asmana Expo, Sida Salaga, Panto Orkanda, Masigi, Lamsi the Putoi Poaching, Minebakta, Yolaga, Pisarum Sato Jariba, in my Belisation, Kudimana, Makoiki Tanzana, Bigisana Lambi, Adu, Panganaba, Hadan, Chinzaba, a program Mamani.
Administrator of Manipur University, Jernal Singh's new book titled With 4 Prime Ministers, My PMO Journey was released by his Manipuri wife, Serafina Singh today. It may be mentioned that Jernal Singh started serving Manipur in various capacities as SDO and Commissioner since 1986. He served as Joint Secretary at Prime Minister Office from 1996 to 2004 and held the post of Chief Secretary of Manipur from 2004 till 2008. After his retirement, Jernal Singh was appointed as Administrator of Manipur University in 2018. Taking part in the book releasing event held at Hotel Imphal, PHED Minister Losi Dikho appreciated Jernal Singh as an efficient and dedicated public servant who served the people of Manipur sincerely. The minister said Jernal Singh's previous book, My Tryst with Manipur, shows his love and dedication for the people of Manipur.
Close association with Jernal Ji, I always appreciate the concern and the love that he has for Manipur. I do not say that people are not working fully for the state, for the people, but I always admire the dedication and commitment given by Jernal Ji to our state.
Speaking at the event, Jernal Singh said his tenure as a public servant in Manipur gave him the opportunity to hold the post of Joint Secretary at Prime Minister's Office. Jernal Singh said apart from various ups and downs, he has mentioned broadly about how the political economy and infrastructure development took place during his 8-year service at Prime Minister's Office from 1996 to 2004. Speaking on the occasion, Kakching MLA Y. Surchandra said Jernal Singh strived for Manipur's development during his tenure as the state's Chief Secretary. He recounted that electricity donors reached Manipur during his tenure to take away the plights of irregular electricity facing the people. MLA Y. Surchandra added that various developmental projects like widening of roads, infrastructure development and construction of the High Court and the Assembly Complex took place during Jernal Singh's tenure.
So I have mentioned all those negative things, the positive things, but broadly I have written book in a positive perspective how the political economy, the infrastructure development took place over the period of these 8 years. And I am thankful that I got a job, I got into PMO. My feeling is that because of my work in Manipur. If I was in Punjab, I might not have gone there.
Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee WBCC Manipur and Unique Wildlife Protection Committee UWLPC Manipur have jointly urged the Forest Department not to be biased while demolishing illegal sawmills operating in both the hills and valley regions of the state. Speaking to media at the office of Unique Wildlife Protection Committee Manipur, WBCC Secretary General Ramesh Ningthozam expressed disappointment that influential people often intervene in such laudable initiatives of various government departments. He claimed that various sawmills are still illegally operating freely in Yairipok area under Thobal Forest Range and at various places of Andro in Imphal East district.
Lengagi Forest Amadi Environment Minister Gi Kendra Yaipok area da Leba Niam Yuangmada Hangli Sum Kaya Maning Tamna Sum Gitab Ukai Toxing Settlement and everything like Kidona Kendra Ski Hangaba Yagasinda Yaripok Yagasinda Quisil Dorgal and Batinaki. Siunova Sanina Naiva and the Toxing Sea Pegumba from Satakota WBCC MD Unique Wildlife Protection Committee to Niku.
Manipur Naga People's Front has extended greetings to all the members of Korkom, community leaders, intellectuals, scholars, religious CSO leaders and people of Manipur on its 9th Foundation Day. Impact News sources said the proscribed group held its Foundation Day celebrations at its general headquarters. MNPF said Manipur was forcefully annexed by India and called upon everyone to revive the forefathers' limitless unity, hopes, dreams and oneness potential of Manipur once again. Unknown miscreants have targeted the storekeeper of Sangai Pro Food and Civil Supply by planting a hand grenade at his residence. The victim storekeeper is 60-year-old Takhelambam Gopal, son of late Vimo from Soibam Laikai, Kanglabung Lairak in Imphal East. People came across the hand grenade in a black plastic bag at his gate around 4:30 in the morning. A letterhead of the Finance Department of proscribed Kanglepa Communist Party addressed to concerned officials of FCS department was also recovered alongside the bomb. A team of Imphal East police arrived and recovered the bomb safely. Meanwhile, members of Soibam Laikai, Chaukat, Thaurang, Nupilub and the locals carried out a protest demonstration condemning the incident. Speaking to media, one protester appealed to those concerned not to repeat such incident.
Panzi Hauji SK ni man oil civil supply da aduki matata February king 129 da retire ore mama sas adamasi karigumba hirama matada masi mari lenam gane ha koi thaja de yam apik post ni man oil se do isinau sina karigumba akoi ibung pasina karigumba pen da balera maga suiden jana wari sanar ga lore aduga bom du karigumba pokhaira maga de nangna bada leri ba yum manga truk sigi mi singji asoka pan o yaurum be ai or yaurum de be adu laibak phatana nga sidi yaudre police ni lokhat pigare aduna matung da disugumba akoi ge mayam ne hekta bada akoi lal holu isinau sini harga su mayam
People took out protests at Yairipok Ningthong night today demanding befitted punishment for the culprit involved in the death of Bosum Class 10 appearing boy student. The boy died yesterday from injuries allegedly caused by kicks from another student for not letting him copy his answers. Speaking to media, convener of the JAC formed against the incident, Mohammed Rustam, said the deceased boy was a brilliant student with high hopes for future. He demanded befitted legal action against the culprit and warned of intense protests by civil society organizations if the authorities concerned failed to pay heed to the JAC's demand. Teachers under the banner of Council of Teachers Association carried out sit-in-cum-relay hunger strike at ZDO office in Thobal district today, demanding rectification of ROP 2019. Speaking to media, Kota convener C.H. Santakumar expressed disappointment that ROP 2019 is not rectified yet despite the assurances given by the Chief Minister and the Education Minister. He warned of intensifying their protests by launching mass court arrest.
Up to March 7 of the Jagani. Matung the Giti, I call Karimuri hunger strike. I see wow the government and Kana Birk of Taragadi. I call mass court arrest. I then I call when you put a level of Punomo kitchen and body. If I'm Pomaga was all winnable say Quajelda, Tajan Piro, I call Loino was yellow, Lizarga, Madam D. When Tanzari was demand, I said Yam Zinine over demand, but I hear Baloki Hivanati. I call you Pangun Tokoto, I do PBU Hivani. Adusu, I think 2 orders Simagna. Yam not down, Yam Antana P was here, Masin Yam Kivani.
Joint Committee on Restriction of Entertainment Programs, JCREP, a conglomerate of MSGO, AMIC, FFM, MSU, MSF, DESAM, AIMS and SSUM has urged people to refrain from holding any entertainment events in the wake of the ongoing Class 10 and Class 12 examinations. Speaking to media at AMIC office in Yai School today, Committee convener S. Sumati appealed to stop playing Master Bola or Hausi in the name of Yaosang Festival. She warned against those holding Thabal Chongba a day ahead of Yaosang. She said strict actions will be taken against the organizers, music bands and those responsible for sounds and lightings. S. Sumati also appealed to Lai Harauba committees not to use loudspeakers during Lai Harauba celebrations and to carry out only the mandatory rituals.
Yaksong mamangdagi mangjongna akoigi sila iba JCREP na mangjongna lauthokiba yaksong numit mangani amadi noma pamba serawa tang taramari serawa sidagi hena thaban chongbidaba amadi thabal sega mari leinana khongadoriba thengadoriba sakadoriba music sound light na chu masidai sida mangjongna na mamangda chongba singsida yabidaba mangjongna na thingnaga laaba hausi singasi akoi khangaro uraroi dana akoigi cinema hall gumbada adagi lekai da masi taure iba sathare iba singa se hausi je khudakta lepiyu ten amadi pf ki exam asida corporation pb dana yamne ingna sikna exam ji pangthokna bo hona bada akhoi khudungma ki thodang leyena khanbira kanda akhoi asoba daita malongminasi.
The SAM Secretary Publicity and Propaganda S.H. Rishi Kumar in a press release said volunteers of DESAM and AIMS gave inspection visit to examination centers of Class 10 examination conducted by BOSUM today and came across fair conduct of examination in most of the centers. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the week-long free neurosurgery OPD launched by Raj Medicity today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Raj Medicity launched week-long free neurosurgery OPD today. Speaking to media, Hospital Medical Superintendent Dr. A. Botombi said Raj Medicity is now equipped with advanced surgical equipment, operating microscope Tivato 700 for performing neurosurgery. He said the hospital can now successfully conduct brain and spinal operations under the guidance of neurosurgeon Dr. Saubam Parkinson. Dr. A. Botombi said with the recent entry of young neurosurgeon Dr. Saubam Parkinson, Raj Medicity has become a reputed hospital in the field of neurosurgery in the state. He said Dr. Saubam Parkinson has successfully operated brain tumor, head injury and road accidents, BP stroke, spine fracture, disc prolapse, tumor, cervical, thoracic and lumbar operations and saves many people's life. Dr. Parkinson himself checked up patients during the free OPD camp held at the hospital in North AOC from 1 p.m. till 3 p.m. today. The free OPD will continue till February 8.
Brenda Itoga, Anava Pangtaba, Aduda Operation Toraga, Anava Funba, Anava Kaki Punsikanba, Wigi spine, young Lenny Sarusi, Tekba Korpada, Dix Prolaps to Baheva, Aduna Sing Bakayada, Mana Operation Toraga, Anava Kayada, Kanavaka Pidana, Anava Kaki Punsikanba, road traffic accident, the Sokpa, Anava Kok, the Sokpa, Anava Singbo, craniotomy, Amadi craniotomy, Singba Taudana, Anava Kaki Punsikan Bangamba Dumba, neurosurgeon Amani, Akogi Hospital, the neurosurgeon Amawina, joint Toropasi, Akoyam Noise. Akoigi hospital sibu asmaina chokhatpa maikida porakani praja mayamgi apamba mongda akoina seva to ngamgani haibase aina thajajai ikoi koidana akoigi operating microscope Tivato 700 haiba ma akoigi neurosurgery gi operation to yaba atuma microscope amsu koi no na hoji install tore.
Two-day orientation program on various welfare schemes meant for differently able people began at Lamyan Basang Lane in Palace Compound today. Disability Cell Social Welfare Department organized the event. Speaking on the occasion, Social Welfare Director Angie Uttam said there are many drawbacks hindering successful implementation of schemes meant for differently able people. He said 3 out of the 4 components of Chief Minister Gi Sotharaba Singhi Tengbang scheme are meant for differently able people. However, lack of adequate resources of the state hinders increment of funds under the scheme.
Layriba scheme jingsi khare na paisa chaw na bihaning bagi abang dum lainari state ki resource big bana ngasai gi mayam gi ningbo thungan ba ngam da bagi wani aduna masisu state ki resource chaw kala bagi matungina sarkar na soi soi dana chaw kala kani akhoi gi persons with disabilities jingsi ki khudong jaba dum matam gi pirakani hauji laibam thiri di sumaina layriba scheme khare si ba bada persons with disability da mapung phana yaude habasi government ne department na hek pai khatpa to department oiro ekoi gi oiro masigi scheme yaudagi khwai da gi jaw maram je kari loge da awareness squad pa sigumba scheme lay masi khangada sigi document chani sigi office da chatlaga sigi mission mi oi je tanaraga hai riba scheme si phangani lupa su phangani matam su changani haibana chingbagi awareness ya tukimati kwat
Capping, lamp lighting and oath-taking ceremony was held for the 5th batch of GNM students of Lyric Institute of Nursing in Sangaipro, Imphal West today. Speaking on the occasion, former director of RIMS Hospital, Professor Dr. Chongtham Arun Kumar, said nursing is a decent profession. He said nurses from Manipur are much in demand across the world because of their professionalism and care for the patients. Additional Director of Medical Directorate, Dr. H. Bebicha, and Secretary of Lyric Institute of Nursing, Jina Tongram, attended the event.
In the very near future, there will be no drivers, there will be no pilots, everything will be automated. And of course, one exception that to how long we do not know is the medical profession. This is becoming more and more computerized and invaded by the algorithms of artificial intelligence. However, nurses will remain. Without nurses, I do not think artificial intelligence and computerization can go a long way in treating our patients.
All Manipur Students Union MSU Singjamei branch in a press release informed that winners of district-level mathematics competition held at Manipur College on February 23 will be felicitated at Manipur College Hall at 1 p.m. on March 15. Churachandpur District Police along with BSF has organized a self-defense, disaster management and career counseling program at the SP office in Tuibong, Churachandpur District. Students of various schools in the district and volunteers of NYK Churachandpur attended the program held as part of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat 2020. District Police and BSF personnel demonstrated self-defense techniques to the attendees. Resource persons of disaster management enlightened the attendees on various precautionary measures to be taken in times of disaster. One-day free ENT camp on the occasion of World Hearing Day 2020 with Hearing for Life, Don't Let Hearing Loss Limit You theme was held at Sija Information Center near Thobal Wangmataba parking today. Sija ENT Hospital, Sanakaithel organized a camp where members of Lions Club Thobal Greater Centuria gave voluntary service. NSCNIM in a press release strongly condemned the recent remark of interlocutor R.N. Ravi on Nagaland Post Daily, which stated that NSCNIM has tried to delay the peace process as malicious and misleading. The outfit said it does not consider the framework agreement contentious and there is no ambiguity about it. Now the sports news. Two-day bowl badminton friendly match between Manipur and Myanmar Saigon under the Act S policy to enhance ties between India and Myanmar kicked off at the campus of GP Women's College in Imphal today. Bowl Badminton Association Manipur organized the match under the aegis of Bowl Badminton Federation of Asia and Bowl Badminton Federation of India. Speaking to media, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Yumnam Khemchan said bowl badminton, which was originated from India, should be played in at least 14 countries to be approved by Asian Olympic Council. Hence, the friendly match was played to introduce the sports to Myanmar. He expressed firm belief that such initiative will enhance ties between Manipur and Saigon.
Ball badminton si India ki indigenous game amani. Adi South Indian sing na low kawul rakanda. Yamna traditional form of the sana badagi. Kitang modern oi thorakanda. Asian Olympic Union na recognize na bohna bada. Country tara mani sudadi adi hai badagi. Myanmar su koi sibo hai koi miyam chala kanda. Game si introduce hoga. Formal event nama oina bohna bani. Aluga quite an interesting one idi. Ek is policy lakuma tam sida. Policy sigi hena fakat paise country ani maki oina. Border state la diba Manipur amani Saigon. Ani sigi nuksinaba ani sigi coordination to look at policy. So what my papa organization has a kanda architecture mana hanade honajar pado aisunga sigi position sida to mateng bang bayogoni.
Speaking to media, convener of Actis Policy, R.K. Sivachandra said proper contact between Manipur and Saigon is essential for the success of India's Actis Policy. Stressing on the need to initiate various cultural and sports-related activities to enhance ties between the countries, R.K. Sivachandra asserted that the friendly match aimed to enhance Indo-Myanmar cordial ties. Thangta and other cultural items were showcased at the opening ceremony. Men and women teams of Myanmar and Manipur played the friendly match.
Koina khanga dausi ek is policy na India na nongpoklom da yeng mediang se Manipur ga hek yunglo nari ba jagang state amdi Manipur yaw dana soy oi roya ba lamda mani sida tari ba mioi sing sigi connectivity people to people contact laitana koina ek is policy oi thoi adana masi it is high time koina singba art and cultures ball adagi ball badminton sports na sing da mayam sing si tauraga sigi medium sigi through da koi connectivity si hengal har gut ga dawni adu economy fagana na hona ga dawni am aduga India gi ek is policy Zagang amadi Manipur anisi chasan arakanda pullakanda ashengba ek is policy gi wahan thok laigane.
All Manipur JB Association in a press release notified that 8 state-level Kangleipak JB Yendim Naba will be held for the age category of 12 to 14 years at New Light Public School, Old Palace Road, Kanchipur from March 9 to 13. Further details may be availed from General Secretary of the association. Nisa Thamiban entered semi-final of the 10th Sahid Manoranjan Singh Memorial CRPF State Open Football Tournament today. In the third quarter-final match played at artificial turf ground of Sai Takiel, Nisa Thamiban defeated DM Rao Awang Sekmai 3-2. For the winners, Johnny Chan scored 1 goal at 30th minute. El Gauro scored 1 goal at 41st minute in penalty shootout, and El Sanatomba scored 1 goal at the 63rd minute. For the losing team, H. Gungun scored 2 goals at 2nd and 70th minute of the match. 25 football teams are competing on the knockout basis of the football tournament organized jointly by Group Center, CRPF Langjing and Imphal West District Football Association under the aegis of all ranks of Manipur and Nagaland sector, CRPF and All Manipur Football Association. UPSA Pukhao will face YWFC Wangjing in the last quarter-final match tomorrow. Trao FC will meet Goa's famed Churchill Brothers FC in their home match of the ongoing Hero I-League at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Speaking to media at the stadium today, Trao FC head coach L. Nandakumar assured that his team will give all-out efforts to score full points in the match. He said tomorrow's home match will be a tough fight, but his team will focus on attacking tactics to score goals. Head coach Nandakumar expressed firm belief that Trao FC's new striker from Romania, Petru, will be giving a good performance tomorrow.
Falguni is still into the list. We cannot play tomorrow. And even Dinachandra also injured, the left back. And I wish our fans will also will give support and wishes to us, and from our side also we'll try to give our best level to get 3 points. Everybody have analyzed their different opponent matches so far. So we respect Churchill brothers. They have good players, mainly strikers. Plaza is a bit dangerous striker. From our side also, they might be thinking that Trau will play with full all out. So hope from my side also, there will be a tough fight.
Head coach of Churchill Brothers FC, Bernardo, also said tomorrow's match will not be an easy one. He said Trau FC has many excellent players and the team gave striking performance in their last home match against Mohan Bagan. Bernardo assured that Churchill Brothers FC will give their best in tomorrow's match. It may be mentioned that Churchill Brothers FC has got two Manipuri players, namely midfielder Go Hang Sing and Suresh Maitei.
Trau show that can create good opportunities, offensive, and got also good players, foreign and Indian players, and we know also that some of these Indian players already signed with the ISL clubs. So tomorrow we expect a difficult game, but also I expect a good game because I know that Trau want to win and us we want to win also. So who's coming to see the match, I think gonna see goals, and I hope we score more than Trau.
Before we end, a quick look at headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren urges people of both hills and valley regions of Manipur to conserve wildlife. "27 eminent people who played a major role in promoting Manipur's art and culture received Manipur State Kala Academy Award 2016-17 today. Meitei Pangal Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee pushes demand to Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren for inclusion of Meitei Pangal in Scheduled Tribe list. Impal City struggles with filing waste following ban on waste disposal at Lamdeng Solid Waste Management Plant. And two-day ball badminton friendly match between Manipur and Myanmar Segang kicks off to enhance ties between India and Myanmar.